feel like tacos.
But we're still awake.
Hey, it's my birthday party was today. Whee! I can't even tell what the camera's pointing, so it might be like, whee! You know.
We get a little excited.
Hey, stick that tongue back in your mouth. Chris Francis should never have told you that. Communist cat! No, the other one.
That one.
I get tired.
My leg.
This camera wasn't an inanimate object. I don't know how I would feel about that.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I like tacos.
I don't see if it. Well, maybe not. Now all the cameras on. Yeah, awkwardly long wig. It actually sounds like a bullfrog or something like. Okay, that's cool enough. It's caffeine time. And shuffle and not on a playlist. Yeah.
The camera's been in my pants. He doesn't care if I tag him.
Oh.
This is best friends. Best friends.
Because that we saw it. Okay, now,
now we're stuck.
actually it's not getting tired at all because I'm just such a beast at guard. Oh dear.